I'm at Sunway Lagoon in Kuala Lumpur, and today it's a Sunday and it's the school holidays. We've got the Quack Express, so we're gonna see if we're gonna be able to do all of the slides. It's hot as taint right now, I can't be dealing. Whew. Okay, what's the next bit? See ya! First slide of the day, Cameroon Climb. No, it's alright, don't you worry, I'm a professional.
All day there?
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
So much. Got sunscreen on my hands. Oh no. Oh my god. Woohoo!
Oh! That's flushed me pants right off.
You did. Oh my god.
My butt's out.
Okay, this is slide number 2, and there was no fast pass on this one, but luckily we're here early, so no queue.
Ready?
Ready? Move us up. Move us up.
Woo!
It's fun.
Thank you. Awesome! We are awesome! Thank you!
Thank you! I thought that was alright. What? You have to lift your butt up, okay? Because otherwise...
It's got brakes on it.
Yeah. It chews your ass up. This is slide number 3. Thank you!
Thank you!
Oh, stop.
Right. Thank you.
Okay, that one was pretty good. The water's a bit sticky. Now we're going to try the world's biggest funnel slide. Told you it was the world's largest something. It's funnel or cone. I'm not entirely sure.
Vortex.
But Vortex. It's big. That's all that matters. This is the first time the Quack Express has come in handy. So it's 10:30 and the Quack Express is coming in handy because, as you can see, there's quite a queue already. Yeah, so these are our new friends and they're coming with us on the raft ride. Because you need like 4 or 6 people. Yeah, but this doesn't seem like there's a weight limit this time. Thank goodness.
There is 454 kilos.
450, so we're 440
440.
kilos. And they're all 10, yeah. Yeah, we're actually recruiting. We need some skinny friends. We need some skinny friends to come with us on raft rides.
Made it!
So yeah, we made it, barely. No, it's faster with more people.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Slide number 5, these stairs. Right, slide number 5 is called Congo Challenge. It's a map racer. Okay, I'm gonna raw dog it straight down the middle. I don't got it at all. I don't got this at all. This is a one-handed mat racer. I've never done it with two hands. I forget that mat races are races because I don't care about no other people. I'm just racing myself.
You always win.
I'm always losing actually. All good. It's not all good. I've got this. I just hit the dry side and half my leg hair's gone. I did laser the top of my legs, but no need, I just had it waxed. Okay, this is the Monsoon 360. This is slide number 6 and you have to wear a back brace. Also, they don't let you film this slide ever. I think one guy did it like 10 years ago and it was like a whole thing. So I'm starting to feel like, is this gonna be like the sketchiest trapdoor slide I've ever been on? Oh, back braces hurt your, I find they hurt your arms and your pits because they cut you up. I mean, I think I've personally never ever been on a slide that I felt that the back brace was actually better. Never. Never. Okay. I matched the slide. Matching. Right, so as expected, I cannot understand why you would not be allowed a camera, because it is super slow and you don't even really do like, yeah, it's just a bit, Malaysia, they're a bit cautious. Let's say the word cautious. This is slide number 7. It's a raft ride and there's a lot of steps again. Right, so I love the colour of these tubes. Very cool. I like them. Usually they're yellow, so when they're different colour, I'm always like, I'm matching everything here. Okay. Begin bola lagi. Oh wow! Here we go again. You're gonna see it like.
Okay.
We need to stop doing this, it's getting crazy.
We're very close friends now.
Okay, advice.
Okay. That was good.
They don't mess around. Slide number 8, which we may or may not be going on because we're having trouble with filming again. I'm telling you guys, this is the usual. You just never used to see this. This is all organised and you will come in. We always try and tell them, please let the lifeguards know, like in the morning, tell them in the meeting, or like just like CC them into an email. I don't know what you need to do, but they never tell them, and so like it's not their fault, but it is frustrating for us and frustrating for them because then they have to get on the blower like beep beep, excuse me, what's going on. So, and it does at this park say no cameras, so we did try and get that across, that like, you know that we're filming. They're like, yeah, it'll be fine, and I was like, is it? So okay, we don't know, manager's here. The manager was like fighting with us for ages, but then I tried to give him a hug and he ran away, and now we can go with the stick. So
that's
my
the
hugs,
technique.
Trying to hug people, that's my technique. I mean, I didn't ask for his consent, that's bad. But I didn't touch him though, so it's alright.
Well, because he ran so fast.
He ran away so quick.
He was like a boxer.
But hey, we can use cameras now, so it's good. Just try hug people. We've made it to slide number 8. What I would like to say at this point, the Quack Express thing, I mean, I haven't seen any extra lanes or anything. We've been lucky because it hasn't been too busy, but I haven't seen other lanes. Have you?
Not really.
Like, where's the Quack Express here? Like, and for that one and that one, there's none, right?
Yeah.
Basically
There was for Jungle Fury.
There was?
Yeah.
It's basically just for the Vuvuzela, which I get would be the most busy ride, but yeah. I'll let you know at the end if we feel like it's worth it. But right now, if you come early enough, I think you'd be alright without it. Boa Constrictor. When I saw that, I thought it said boba, and I was like, oh, I could really go for some like boba tea, although I don't like the balls, I like the jelly. So is it still boba tea or is it jelly tea? Bubble tea. We should get some bubble tea. Yeah, we should. Yeah, we should. It says stand here. Stand here. Stand here. Stand here. Stand here. Oh. Stand here. I'm just doing what it says because I'm obeying the rules. Stand here. Thank you. Oh yeah. Oh, she's a fast one. Woo! Yeah, he was right. That was pretty good. I forgot about that one.
Yeah, that's good bit.
So hold on, let me get you out the tree. Okay, so that one was pretty good. Now we're gonna go do the boomerang. Should be good. Number 10, and it's a boomerango. I don't know what it's called. It's called warning.
Kubarango.
It's called warning. No, it's a
Kubarango.
It says don't dive in the water at the end, but last time we fell out onto our face. So this time we'll try to stay in. You always hold me, I like to fly. Let me fly, let me live. Oh no. Are we worried?
No.
Are we worried?
Ready? Whoa! Oh. My pants are off.
Okay.
And I got an enema. Oh! Not a shower.
Oh, damn. The water's aggressive at the end. I think this is number 11. Lost track of the numbers though. Okay, this is slide number 12. Trapdoor slide, and you guys are attempting it. Are you ready? Yeah. This is them being alive right now. Yeah. Maybe afterwards they won't not be alive. Hopefully they will. Whew. You don't need the Quack Express for this one because it's not that busy, because people are usually afraid, and you need the back braces, but like I was saying before, I don't think you really need them. Who's fast? Who's fast? Okay, good. Tie. I like your swimsuit, by the way. Where'd you get it?
That's
Oh, okay.
Bye-bye.
okay.
Bye-bye, friend.
Is it okay?
You ready? I think you're good. Strap you. It's gonna rip out your hair, bro. You're gonna be okay. It's gonna be coming out no hair, just hairless. These straps do get you a bit in the corners. All right, so she was okay. Now, next up is her husband. Sorry, you can. Good luck. We'll put this in the vlog because they didn't film it and they want to see it. So hope you guys like it. It's been lovely to meet you and stuff. How was it? Good? You look scared. You were like, ah! You were brave. You enjoyed it though. You did it? Yeah? Like it?
Yeah.
Better than Dubai or?
Dubai, I think the Bali is the better and the best.
Okay.
But after that, the wild body.
Okay.
And,
Wild body? Oh yes.
Atlantis.
Atlantis? Okay.
Atlantis,
Yeah. So they're better than this. Yeah. Okay. Agreed. Agreed. Done all of the slides except for one black one. It's dark, so we're leaving it to the end. But now we're going to do some kid slides to truly have done all the water slides. Wait, does this count?
Yep.
Bit small, isn't it? Let's go slightly higher. You want to race?
Yep.
Excuse me, that's unacceptable.
So I've looked at all the footage and I'm not actually worried about cockroaches. I know they exist around Asia. It's no big deal. So is the Quack Express worth it? So for us today, we probably didn't need it because we got in quite early and we probably could have done all of the slides straight away without it. However, the Vuvuzela does get busy very quickly and it was nice to be able to just go around as many times as you'd like. If it was a lot busier, I definitely think you need it. Otherwise, you would end up queuing quite a lot, I would say. The Quack Express is 90 ringgit, which is about $18. So if you can afford it, then get it. If not, you can still have a really fun day. Just get there at 10, so you can do all the slides straight away, and then if you want to do some others later on, you can. Tomorrow, more exciting stuff to happen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye.